Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. By the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Neewer LED ring light, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's almost bigger than me. But if you guys would like to see my unboxing and see the quality of this ring light, then continue watching. And before we get into this video, I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me, and I'm also going to have my business Instagram on the screen as well, so that you guys can see all the bangles that I have, and so that you guys can reply on my polls that I have in case I want to add new products onto my site. So with that being said, I'm going to stop talking now and let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so this Neewer LED ring light is 14 inches and it says that it is centered with light stand, soft tube filter, carrying bag for makeup and YouTube. So now I'm just going to open the box up. And unfortunately, I wasn't really gonna order this one. I was gonna order my old one that I had before, but I couldn't find it on Amazon. I'm hoping that they didn't stop selling it. But either way, I had to buy something, so I just went with this one. And I actually did see a few reviews on this ring light, so I thought, why not give it a try? But the first thing that was in my box was this, I think, remote. Yeah, it's Bluetooth remote shutter. So I think that's pretty cool. And then it comes with a manual, so I'm definitely going to be reading up on that. And then my next item that I have is my phone stand. This is what you can use to put inside the ring light. You can either have it like this, vertical, or you could have it horizontal. And then this piece at the bottom is what you screw on into the ring light. And it comes with a charger for your ring light. And now I'm going to open up this box. I think this might be the tripod. Okay, so this is the tripod that I was talking to you guys about. This looks really sturdy. So as you guys can see, this was down, so I just pushed it up. You can put it down if you want to store it. And then you can use this to tighten it or to loosen it. And then these 3 notches is what you use to get the ring light to the level that you want it to. And then this is what you guys came for, the Neewer ring light. Alright, so this is what the ring light looks like in the bag. So I'm guessing that these clear filters are the white light. These are like the goldish lights, maybe. I don't really know what I would really use these for, like, because I know that if I use these, it might make my skin tone look even yellower than it already is. But like I said, this is like the orangey, like goldish type of filter. So now I'm going to read the directions, and it says step 1, installation of light stand. So I already did that. That's what this step was. Step 2 says installation of soft tube. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this soft tube and then I'm going to unscrew the screw right here. Then I'm going to put it on the top of the light stand, and then I'm going to make sure that it's straight before I twist it into place. Okay, yeah, that's much better. So what you want to do is you want to loosen it as much as you can, just so that it will fit all the way down to the top of the light stand. Alright, so the third step says to add the light filters. So what I'm going to do is just basically snap it into place. It's pretty easy. So once you get the filter, you turn it over to the side where the ridges are facing the ring light, and then you just snap it into place. So now that I have the soft light on the light stand, and now that I have the filters on the ring light, Now I'm going to show you guys how to attach the ring light to the soft tube. I just loosened up the first knob on the light stand just so I can raise up the soft tube so you guys can actually see me putting the ring light on top of the on top of the soft tube. And as y'all can see, this is the ring light. Alright y'all, so before you do anything, this is how the bottom of the ring light will actually look. What you want to do is you want to loosen up the right nozzle just so that you can straighten up the base. And then you tighten that part up just so that that's secure. And then you loosen up the left side of the nozzle just so you can put the ring light on top of the soft tube. Alright y'all, so once you actually loosen up the left side of the nozzle, you want to make sure that it's standing up straight. And now you guys see that it's not really moving anywhere. But if you do like move the ring light a little bit and you feel that it's jerky, you want to tighten up the right side just so that it can stay nice and secure. Once you have the ring light secure, you then take the ball head piece, which looks like this. You want to put the bottom of the ball head in the groove, which you'll see on top of the ring light itself. And then what you want to do is you want to screw down the part that secures the ball head in place. And once you feel that that's not going anywhere, you first want to loosen up the top of the ball head. And then you want to make sure that it's as straight as you want it to be. And then you tighten it. And after you have this secure, you can either add your phone or you can add your camera. And I'm actually recording off of my camera, so I won't actually be able to show you guys. But if you have the camera like I do, where it has a opening at the bottom of it, you can just screw the camera onto this piece. But if you're not recording off of a camera and you're recording off of your phone, then you can take the phone piece that I was showing you guys. It looks like this. You can either have it vertical or horizontal. And I'm actually going to show you guys horizontally first. So what you want to do is you want to first have your phone securely into the piece that you're going to put onto the ring light. And once you have this in the direction that you want it to, you then twist your phone onto the top of the ring light. This is currently what it looks like when you have your phone into the ring light mount. And I actually have the cord already plugged up into the wall, so I'm just going to grab that. The cord that you connect into the wall port, you put that into this piece right here that hangs from the ring light. And once you hear that snap, you're now able to turn on your ring light. Y'all see how bright that is? So I'll probably have it like, I want to say right here. It gives a nice lighting. And I'm actually going to show you guys a clip of me on my phone to show you guys how nice the lighting is on my phone using my ring light. Alright you guys, so this is currently how I look after having my ring light on and my phone attached to the inside of my ring light. And y'all, I absolutely love this. Like, it looks so professional and it looks cute. Okay, period poo. Y'all, I am definitely loving this. Like, I cannot wait to use this for a video. New light who? Okay. New light where? I thought somebody with not good quality lighting said something, because this lighting right here is really nice. Hey y'all, so I'm back and today is actually the next day. Yesterday I wasn't able to end the video because my camera died, but I wanted to come on here again today and end the video. But by the last clip, you guys saw how bright the ring light is when I use my phone and how good of a quality the camera is. And so I might consider doing some videos or some vlogging using my phone, especially considering that I have a really nice ring light now. And I just realized I didn't show you guys what the ring light looks like with the yellow filter. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like and then I'm gonna end the video. Okay y'all, so I'm actually gonna take off these white filters. And then I'm gonna put on the yellow ones. I'm gonna put on like the orangey filters. And I'm gonna put my second orange filter on to the ring light. This is what the goldish filter looks like. This is what it looks like on the highest setting. And this is what it looks like a couple notches down. So if I was to use this filter, I would definitely like have it maybe right here. But I feel like this level isn't too much. I'm going to show you guys another view of what it looks like when I'm on my phone so that you guys can actually see it when I'm looking into the light instead of me just like having it in front of me. Alright you guys, so this is what the goldish orangey filter looks like. And I think it looks pretty good. I don't think it looks as good as the white though. But I actually did have to turn the nozzle down. I feel like this one is a little too much. But I feel like this level gives off a really good lighting. So yeah, I like this orange filter also. But y'all, I am so excited to film more videos with using my ring light because as you all can see, the ring light provides some really good lighting, okay, period. And it's about to make my videos look more professional and I'm here for it. So if you enjoyed this video, Faith Gang, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang. And hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. But once again, I bought my ring light from Amazon. It's called the Neewer ring light. And if I'm not mistaken, it was like almost less than $100. So it's definitely worth it. And it comes with two filters, the white filter and the brownish tone filter. But with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day or a great night depending on when you watch this video. But I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna end this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.